Hi, this is Eva from EnglishWithEva.com, and we're going to learn 40 words together. It used to be 24, now it's going to be 40. Later on, you can also learn grammar and then try to have conversation with me. Let's get started. Fine. I'm fine today. Bathroom, toilet, WC, lavatory, restroom. Excuse me, where is the bathroom, please? Hard. She has a hard test tomorrow. Single. Are you single? Double. One double room, please. Cancel. I must cancel the reservation. Send. Please send it to me by email. Buy. I always travel by car. Big. Your house isn't very big. Small. My car is too small. Two. I'm happy for you too. Breakfast. Have breakfast. What time is the breakfast? Lunch. Have lunch. I don't want to have lunch. Dinner. Have dinner. They usually have dinner at home. Snack. Do you want a snack? Buy. Can you buy the ticket, please? Pay. Can I pay now? Yesterday. I was with him yesterday. Last or past. Tom wasn't at school last week. Ago. She was here 2 hours ago. Leave. I'm leaving now. Reception, or in the United States, front desk. See you at the front desk. Make. Can you make a cake? Bad. It is bad information. Soccer. Do you play soccer? Problem. Do you have a problem? Get. I don't get it. Reservation. His reservation isn't okay. Recommend. Can you recommend me a good restaurant? Hotel. Where is the Hilton Hotel? Restaurant. The restaurant was very nice. Extra bed. Can I book an extra bed for my son? Suite. The suite is fine for us. Check in. I must check in till 5 p.m. Check out. Please check out until 10 a.m. Till or until. Don't leave until I come here. Before. You cannot drink it before dinner. After. Let's do it after school. Key, key card, card key. I don't have my key card. Fill in a form. Please fill in the form.